Tortas ahogadas translates to drowned torta, and it is drowned in not one, but two sauces. The first sauce is just a seasoned tomato sauce, not spicy at all. So the story goes that a man was making his tortas, these really delicious crusty sandwiches, and he happened to drop them in a tomato sauce. He ate it, he loved it so much, torta ahogada came to be. So we have 1.5 pounds of ripe Roma tomatoes, 1 garlic clove, 2 whole cloves, 1/2 teaspoon of dried marjoram, and 1 teaspoon of oregano. And I'm gonna chop about 1/4 cup of this white onion, and I'm gonna add it 1/2 teaspoon of salt. And then I'm just going to puree this until completely smooth. Okay. So it smells nicely seasoned, but it smells really raw. We have to cook it. So I'm gonna add about 1 tablespoon of oil. This is the classic Mexican technique of seasoning the sauce. I need a spoon and I need the lid because it's gonna start splashing in 1 second. I'm gonna add 2 cups of chicken broth, because this needs to be a very, very thin sauce. And now, because 1 sauce is never enough to drown a torta, I'm gonna make the spicy salsa. I'm just gonna toast about 7 to 8 chiles de árbol. So the first sauce is gonna soak the torta, and then the spicy sauce is rich with the smoky, charred taste of the chile de árbol, and it has vinegar, so it's very tangy too. And I just want to toast them until they change color. And then for this spicy sauce, it is also tomato based, but it uses a different technique. I'm gonna add 4 ripe tomatoes, whole, 3 garlic cloves, and I'm covering them with water, and I'm gonna bring them to a simmer until they're cooked and mushy. And we have the chiles de árbol that I had already toasted, and I'm adding them all in here. The pound of tomatoes, the garlic cloves that also are ready and cooked, 1/4 teaspoon of ground cumin, 2 tablespoons of white distilled vinegar, and this is what distinguishes this spicy salsa. It's really, really tart and it brightens up the torta. 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and then we're gonna puree these again until smooth. And I'm gonna add 1/2 cup of white chopped onion. It smells really spicy already. I think if there's someone in this family who rivals my love of spicy food, I think it's Juju. Are you ready to smell these? Oh boy. So, I mean really hot. I'm gonna add another tablespoon of oil. I'm gonna add the sauce. It is spicy and super jumpy. And then it's just gonna simmer here for a couple of minutes. We have everything we need for a torta ahogada. We have the 2 sauces, we have the carnitas, I have the crusty bread, which I need to toast a little bit. So, yes, that's what you need, that crusty. 1 for me and 1 for Juju. So I'm gonna put these in the oven. I just need somebody to eat with me. That's right, Juju? Are you ready? Entonces, we're gonna make the drowned tortas. You tell me when to stop, okay?
A little bit more.
More? So you know what you do now? You don't eat the carnitas. You close the torta and you drown the torta with this sauce. The bread is so happy right now. It's like soaking up all that sauce. Who can take more heat, you or me?
Me.
What? Never.
So good.
Ah, it's so delicious. The bread has absorbed all the fat from the carnitas, and the carnitas are caramelized and just coming apart in there.
And it's not like too spicy where you need water, but it's spicy.
I can totally see why people drive to Guadalajara to eat these tortas.